Finally, a white guy. I've been dealing people all day from shithole countries, all type of monkeys, Haitians, Africans, especially them damn Jamaicans. Oh, I swear they think they're the coolest monkeys in the jungle with their Bob Marleys and the Usain Bolts. Ooh, if I get one Jamaican in my car, I'm a. What y'all gonna do? Tell me, what y'all gonna do? You Jamaican? But, your granny never tell you nothing judge a book by the cover. So, here what me want you to do. For the rest of the ride, you need to just shut up, or else. But wait, how would that smell? Ah shit, you shit up yourself. But wait, you nasty bugger you. We can't take this no more. Let me out right here, sir. Let me out.